Hey guys, welcome to the 2025 HIIT Cardio Challenge. This is a 15-minute upper body workout. No weights needed. You're working your shoulders, your back, and your core today. Let's get into it. We've got 22 upper body exercises across 3 sets, 30 seconds of exercise with 10 to 30 seconds of rest in between. Get on your mat and let's start the workout with plank shoulder tap. Get in a high plank position, keep your body straight and core tight. Now lift one hand and tap the opposite shoulder, then repeat on the other side. Try to keep your hips as still as possible. Nice work guys, rest up and move on to up and down plank. Get in a low plank position on your forearms, press up onto one hand, then the other into a full plank. Now lower back down one arm at a time, keep your core tight and hips stable and keep going. Nicely done, rest and downward dog to plank is next. Start in a downward dog position, push your hips upwards and back, forming an inverted V. Now shift your weight forward, back into a plank, keeping your core tight. Move slowly between the two positions and keep breathing. Rest and recover and get ready to lay flat on your mat for Superman. While we're laying on our belly, lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground. Hold for a moment, then lower back down with control. You're doing great guys, not long to go and we'll be done with set 1. Plank with leg lift is next. While we're in a plank position, lift one leg straight up, lower it back down, then switch to the other leg. Keep pushing through guys. Well done, time for another breather here and we'll move on to back extensions. Lay on your stomach, have your hands reaching forward, then lift your feet and chest off the ground, pulling back your elbows and squeezing your shoulder blades together. Have slow controlled movements here. Rest up, we're almost done with the first set. Lower plank walk-in is next. Get in a low plank on your forearms. Step one foot in towards your chest and the other, bringing your body slightly forward into an inverted V. Then step them back out into plank and we'll repeat these movements. Keep your core tight and move with control. Final exercise of the first set, we've got push-up variation. While we're in a push-up position on your knees, lower your chest down with control, press back up, then go into a child pose. Go slow and control and keep your core tight. That's set 1 guys, just 2 more sets to go. Pause the video here if you need a longer rest. While we're on a break, be sure to check out my free app. It's designed to help you stay on track with your schedule, plus you can also swap out the workout music, create your own custom schedules, and access more useful tools. Let's get ready to start the second set with reverse planks. Get into a reverse tabletop position, hands placed right below your shoulders, look forward and keep your hips lifted. Keep your body straight, squeezing your glutes, your core and your quads. Hold here and keep breathing. Nice work guys, rest and recover and move on to crab toe touches. Sit on the mat again and now lift your hips off the mat, reach one hand to touch the opposite toe, then switch sides. Keep your hips elevated and core engaged as you move. Well done everyone, flip around onto a low plank and move on to plank jacks. While we're in a plank position, tap one foot out to the side, repeat on the other side, then jump both feet out wide, then back together and repeat the sequence. Keep your core tight and body straight as you move. Keep pushing through guys, not long to go to finish the set. Nicely done, lay flat on your mat and rear delt raises are next. We're halfway through the workout guys, make sure you reach the end. While laying on your mat, pull your arms back, squeezing your shoulder blades together. We're making great progress guys, rest and recover, hollow plank tuck is next. While in a high plank position, drive your knee towards your chest and then lift your hips up and then repeat on the other side. Rest up everyone, we're moving on to side plank crunch next. Get into a side plank position with one hand bent like so and bring your elbow towards the mat. Extend back out and repeat. Keep your core tight and hips lifted and your body straight. Short break again, and let's finish off the set by repeating the exercise on the other side. And that's set too, guys. Pause the video here if you need a longer rest. Final exercise of the set. Let's go again with plank saw. While we are in a plank position, gently rock your body forward and backward, like a saw. Keep your core tight and your body straight. Keep the movement controlled. Short rest again, we'll move on to plank rainbow. While we're in a low plank position, lift one leg up and sweep it over like a rainbow in an arc motion to the side and back. Keep your core engaged and body steady as you alternate legs. Nice work, guys, not long to go. Reverse snow angel is next. While we're laying on our belly, lift your arms and legs off the ground. Sweep your arms out to the side and back in while keeping your shoulders and legs lifted. Rest and recover, and plank with hip dips is next. While we are in a low plank position, slowly dip your hips to one side, then return to center, then dip to the other side. Keep your core tight and let's keep going. Not long to go, guys. Keep pushing through, but dog is coming up. While on all fours, extend one arm forward and the opposite leg back, keeping your body balanced. Hold for a moment and switch sides. Keep your core engaged and back straight as you move. Well done, just 2 more exercises to go. Arm circles is next. You can do this on your knees or while standing up. Extend your arms out to the side and start drawing big circles. Keep your arms straight and let's keep those circles going. short rest and we'll repeat in the opposite direction. Let's finish off the workout. And that's the workout. Great job on reaching the end. Make sure you download my app to make it easier to stick to your schedule. Leave me a comment down below and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!